All right, so we've had a few questions about the Can-Am. If y'all saw my video before, basically if you got in the Can-Am and you took off, it would stutter out, just keep kind of backfiring here and there. It was cold natured, and then basically once it started for the day, it was fine the rest of the day, no problems. Fire right up, we're good. It's just not good for fuel injection. Something's wrong. It's been that way since I picked it up. I've ran probably 6 tanks of fuel through it. I run the regular unleaded. I don't run the high octane. You know, everybody says they run the high octane, they have issues. I haven't been doing that. The last tank I put in it, I actually ran the ethanol free just to see if that would help, and it's just, it never did. So I've tried I even put a little bit of stabilizer in it. That didn't seem to do anything. So loaded it up, took it to Velocity dealer here in Victoria, Texas. They're a great dealer. I recommend them. And dropped it off and told them, hey, just keep it. I didn't need it. We were kind of done with it. So I said, just keep it until y'all figure it out, you know, crank it. And they tried a few things. I think they tried cool packs. Whatever they did in the end, they told me that basically flush the fuel system and clean the injectors. So that's what they said it was. So it's been sitting here for 2 days. It's had plenty of time to sit. And normally if I get in this thing and start it, but you know, let it run for 5-10 seconds and then put it in gear, try to back up, it'll just die. And then you can start it 2 or 3 more times, and then like I said, it'll finally clear up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hop in this thing and see what the result is, right? Let's see if it's truly fixed after 2 days of sitting. All right, so I'm turn the camera around. I'm gonna put the desk key on and drop my keys. Okay, same as I always do. I'm gonna start this thing up, let it run for a few seconds, throw it in reverse. Let's see what it does. I hope it works. Okay, so far so good. But it would do this before. Now we're gonna put it in gear. Just push on the gas. Well, I'm gonna have to say that that problem has went away, because it would still be dying. So, guys, it seems to be fixed to me. I don't see any issues. It laid black marks when I pushed the gas pedal to go backwards when I backed up, and seems to be running well without any issues. So probably need to get your fuel system looked at, get it flushed out. Like I said, I don't know if Can-Am had some bad gas that they put in all these units. I mean, I've got family members that have them, and they're all doing the same thing, every one of them. So it's not something that we did as an end user. It's something that happened, whether it sat in the yard in Mexico after they were made with bad fuel in them. I don't know, but this definitely seemed to fix the problem. And I would say, since I ran 6 tanks of fuel through it, whatever they did to the injectors to clean those out or flush them out, that probably wasn't the fix. So anyway, that's my 2 cents. Short video for the day. Appreciate you watching. If you like this content, please hit that like and subscribe. It helps me make these videos, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.